In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autofill with the Bitwarden browser extension. Bitwarden is an excellent tool designed to streamline your online experience by securely storing your passwords and other sensitive information. We'll walk through each step on how you can set up and effectively use the Autofill feature, making your digital life smoother and more efficient. First, you'll want to navigate to the Bitwarden website. Bitwarden is a highly recommended password manager for both personal and business use due to its robust security features. Once you're on the site, the next step is to click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials to access your vault. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to register by following the account creation process on the same page. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Bitwarden Vaults page. Here is where all your passwords and secure notes are stored. In this user-friendly interface, you will see an option to create a new entry, which is crucial for setting up Autofill for any new accounts. You'll want to locate and click the New button. This allows you to add a new item, such as a login or secure note, to your vault. Next, you'll select Login from the available options. This is important as it will help Bitwarden recognize that the information you're entering is for an account you wish to have autofilled in the future. On the login creation screen, you'll need to fill in details such as the website URL, username, and password. Once this information is saved, Bitwarden will securely store it in your vault, ready to be used whenever you need. Now, with your login details securely stored, let's explore the autofill options. You'll need to click on the autofill options. This is the part where the magic happens. Bitwarden allows you to customize settings for autofilling forms automatically on websites you frequently visit. You can enable or disable this feature based on your personal preference or security needs. You might also want to explore more advanced settings, like requiring a master password to further safeguard your data. In summary, by following these steps, you have effectively set up Autofill using the Bitwarden browser extension. This feature simplifies your online navigation, saving you the hassle of remembering passwords and entering them each time you need to log in. Bitwarden's Autofill enhances your online security by using encrypted storage methods, keeping your information safe yet easily accessible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to take advantage of Bitwarden to streamline your digital experience with the peace of mind that your data is securely managed.